Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two portable dishwasher brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Novete compact dishwasher and the Hermitlux portable dishwasher. Whether you're traveling by air, on the road, or by the ocean, as long as it's a trip that will take you days, a portable dishwasher is one of the essentials that you would take with you, especially if you're sensitive to the utensils you're using. A dishwasher has a lot of settings and functions to make sure that you're getting your favorite and most used plates, spoons, forks, and kitchen knives thoroughly cleaned. However, it might be harder to find a portable unit that will carry the same amount of efficiency as the original size. Luckily, in our previous review, we found two of the best contenders, the Novete compact dishwasher and the Hermitlux portable dishwasher, which have both earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. To find out which one is the best to carry on your next trip, outing, or vacation, grab a drink as we watch these two butt heads in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other portable dishwashers that we have reviewed, do check out our portable dishwasher review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these portable dishwashers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their installation. Installing a dishwasher in your home can be a time-consuming process, especially if you haven't used one before. You'll need to know the dimensions of the unit and dimensions of the sink where the dishwasher will be installed, as well as how it will be connected to your water flow system, or how you will make the buttons easy enough for you to press but inaccessible to your pets or children. However, among our two portable dishwasher candidates, none of them requires the extra work for installation. They pretty much offer the same capabilities, a faucet mode and a water tank mode. For the faucet mode, you will only need to connect the machine to a faucet through a water inlet and drain hose. This is great once you find an external water source from gas stations and bus stops. However, if you haven't reached any of those areas yet, the water mode has got you covered. Both of our contenders have a built-in 5-liter water tank, so you can stock up on water and then start the dishwashing process once you need to wash something. But the Novete compact dishwasher is taking extra laps for this one, since it has its own automatic water level indicator, so you will get notified when you need refills. Though starting off strong and equal, the Novete compact dishwasher took a few extra steps to lock in the first one of the match. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their dimensions and capacity. Onto the feature that defines our contenders' portability. We have the dimensions and capacity. It's important to know both dimensions and capacity since they will determine whether or not a unit is easy to carry and how much cookware you can clean throughout your trips. Looking first at the Novete compact dishwasher, this model measures only 16.9 inches in length, 16.8 inches in width, and 18.1 inches in height. But despite the small size, it keeps 4 full dinnerware and 12-inch plates once it's placed at an angle. This makes it a contender that can easily satisfy the daily needs of a family or friend group of 3 to 4. On top of that, the double-layer design gives it enough space for serving 4 bowls, 4 cups, 4 half or tea-sized plates, 4 dinner plates, 7 spoons, 7 forks, and 7 knives. You don't even have to use it exclusively on trips. You can also use it if you're temporarily staying in a dorm, apartment, or hotel. Onto its watchful challenger, the Hermitlux portable dishwasher has a very small size difference from its competitor, with dimensions of 16.85 inches in width, 16.72 inches in length, and 18.03 inches in height. Because of this slight difference, however, the recommended plate is only 11 inches at the right angle, with space for 3 mugs, 2 bottles, 4 half-size plates, and 4 full-size plates. Since the profile of the Novete compact dishwasher created the perfect balance between portable and commodious, we're giving it the triumph of this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their settings and functions. The highlight and the exciting part of cleaning machines are their extensive settings and functions. Regular dishwashers usually have 3 cycles going from light to smaller plates and utensils, medium for big bowls and plates, and heavy for big pans and pots. Since we're only getting a small design where we can only fit plates, we might only get the light cycle. If you decide to go for the Novete compact dishwasher, this machine has a dry mode that features the same functionalities as a dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet, so your cleaning will be swift. With only 60 minutes of hot air, the drying process will automatically start after the wash cycle is finished, so it's guaranteed that your dishes are dry and odorless. If you decide to go for a longer process, you can opt for 72 hours of automatic ventilation that stores your tableware in sanitary conditions, so you can wake up to utensils that are already properly sterilized. On the flip side, the Hermitlux portable dishwasher has dual pressure spraying arms, which provide streak-free deep cleaning of the dishes, and they also have a high temperature feature that will help you clean any kind of surface, including tableware, fruits, and vegetables. You can also use the drying function to keep tableware dry and tasteless after cleaning. The PTC hot wind and high temperature also makes a great sterilizer for baby products and oily tableware to give glassware a sparkling clean finish. For this category, both of our contenders offer a unique edge with Novete's time sensitivity and Hermitlux's versatility, and that's why we're calling in our first tie. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their design and organization. If you're traveling on the road, it goes without saying that you probably already have so much in your truck that getting a separate utensil holder may be a little inconvenient. You won't have to worry about this with the Novete compact dishwasher, which has a cutlery basket and a storage rack. With this, you can properly segregate your items and use the top rack for dishwasher-safe items like knives, forks, and spoons. This will help you leave more space for dishes and small pots. It also offers the same lower and upper spray arms that the Hermitlux portable dishwasher highlighted in the previous category. So you can also use Novete for fruit basket storage or cleaning fruits and vegetables. But for this round, Hermitlux still has more cards up on its sleeve with its unique glass door that will help you see the cleaning process clearly. It also has a top touch button for quick recognition and operation. However, it doesn't have very unique pockets that will help you create a much more streamlined storage system. So it was still knocked out by its challenger for this fourth round. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their Speedy setting. One thing that dishwashers might fail to fulfill is very quick washes. You can do this by simply pouring water on a cup and a plate that you've left out for a while, especially if your food and drink didn't leave any trail. But if you do that, there's no guarantee that the bacteria has really been washed out, right? That's why newer models of dishwashers, including the Novete compact dishwasher, have speed wash settings. With this one, anytime you're in a hurry and want your dishes done quickly, just choose a speed mode that will clean the dishes in just 29 minutes. The automatic air circulation helps to dry dishes so they're ready to use right away. That might still be a long time as compared to simply washing it out after, but considering you're getting full-on sanitation with this process, that's already a pretty big advantage. On the other hand, the Hermitlux portable dishwasher has a speed-specific setting as a part of its 5 programs, which consist of standard cleaning, fast cleaning, eco cleaning, strong cleaning, and fruit cleaning. The fast cleaning options also run from up to 29 minutes. For this round, both of our contenders headed on to the same pad, leading to yet another tie. We are closing off the clamor between two of our best contenders, the Novete compact dishwasher and the Hermitlux portable dishwasher. Resulting in a tie for 2 rounds, it's easy to see that our challengers tried to remain steady on our ground. However, the Novete compact dishwasher will be the one taking our crown with its win in the installation, dimensions and capacity, and design and organization categories. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Novete compact dishwasher and the Hermitlux portable dishwasher has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next portable dishwasher face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.